First of all, about focusing action. And a guy named Henry Mintzberg has done some interesting research on this, and he basically goes up to you in your organization and says to you, what do you do all day? And people tend to say stuff like, well, me, I'm into motivation. I motivate people. I find out what they want, and then knowing what they want, it kind of helps me kind of work them in that direction, etc. And other people say, I communicate. I find out what's on people's minds, and then I share with what's on my mind with their mind, etc. And I do that. And other people say, I'm into problem solving. I'm into decision making, and I'm into directing and correcting, and planning, and goal setting. And you get all this list of things. It sounds like something out of Management 101. But what Mintzberg does that's different is he hangs a mic on people's lapels, and then he actually measures what they do. All right? And I'd like you to just think for a moment about what it is that you do for most of the day that you kind of invest in your work, all right, your world of work, and picture what really happens. Because Mintzberg's answer to what most of us do is we react. One word, we react. And pictorially, for me, it looks something like this, all right? And that is, you decide on a direction, at least for the moment, you go off in that direction, and then at some point you realize you're going to have to change it, all right? Something happens, you kind of get banged with new information or whatever, and so you kind of walk off in this direction, you think you're going, and all of a sudden, and you get hammered with the, and you kind of go, I better kind of go off in this direction, and you get hammered here, and you go like this, like, and so by the end of the day, you're just sitting at your desk, not even moving, kind of going like this, or look at people in airline terminals, okay, and on these phones out here in the lobby, and watch them. You know, they're on their phone, and they're just suffering from corporate whiplash, and in that world, you know, we come in with all these answers about paying attention to each other, etc., and it's very difficult to do that if you can't really attend to it, if you don't see it. It's very difficult to take action if you don't even see what's going on, and when you're suffering from whiplash, it's very difficult to